We're talking with Dr. Pete Peduzzi of American Back Centers. Dr. Peduzzi, how does VaxD therapy compare to other methods used to treat disc problems?
Kathy, treatment methods like pain injections only treat the symptoms, but not the actual problem. Physical therapy alone does not treat the disc itself, which is the real problem.
Well, that makes sense.
In addition, inversion tables and other so-called disc treatment methods can actually make the problem worse.
So these other disc treatment methods aren't the same as VaxD?
No, to this date, VaxD is the only treatment shown in clinical research to reduce disc pressure and actually heal the disc. This is backed by studies published in the Journal of Neurosurgery. American Back Centers have successfully treated disc problems with VaxD for over 20 years, longer than anyone in this area.
Well, thank you, Dr. Peduzzi. Folks, give American Back Centers a call at 724-935-3300.
At American Back Centers, you've got nothing to lose but the pain.